They say to us, you've got to live your lives by the way our ancestors lived. That's our concept of the future. It's already past.
Ladies and gentlemen, guess who's back in the motherfucking house with a bag full of big face headed down south? How much?
Designers, 60+ models, showing over 200 garments. Welcome to Pacific Fusion Fashion Show. Keeping it fresh.
Talo Falava, my name is Mari Talangi, and I play for the Toa Samoa.
Talo Falava, my name is Connelly, and I play for the Toa Samoa. And we're playing Read My Lips.
I had my daughter, and I go, okay, I gotta man up and take this seriously, or I have to find a job. And I was like, but I love music too much. Even if I was to work at a job, I'm like, man, just music is all I think about.
In Barbie's perfect world, everything comes easy to her. She didn't have to try.
Keep it fresh.
Follow for fresh. I am JP. And I am JT. Welcome to the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show. Let's go. Come this way.
So this is the 7th year for Pacific Fusion Fashion Show, and it was created to give a voice and a platform for our Pacific designers, our models, our beauticians, and our hairstylists to come together and tell the story of Pacific fashion. This year we've got 21 designers, 85 models, and a production team of 170, and it has been easier to promote the show. So no longer we're really going out to get the designers, it's word of mouth. Brand awareness, brand growth. We work in fashion and it's not your typical kind of Pacifica setting. So we've worked really hard to keep our cultural values and our beliefs in the ecosystem that we've created.
This year's theme for Pacific Fusion 2023 is Descend. It's a play on the migration of our grandparents and our parents, the immigration of them from the islands into Aotearoa. So it's a play on the word descend, as in a plane landing, hence the hangar behind us, hence the reason why we're here, having the show at a hangar. But also it's a play on descendants, where we originate from, where we come from. And that's the important aspect of these designers and their collections, is weaving their cultural identity into their collections, into their designs.
The one thing that I do before I go on the runway is I do like a few shoulder rolls. And I find that helps open up my chest, get the air in my lungs, and just helps to settle.
When you find yourself, you find your own walk. And when you own your own walk, you're just top-notch. Have the heart of a lion, but float like a cloud.
My tip is standing on a T. It makes you look taller and stronger. My tip is feel the beat, be yourself, and express yourself the way you want to.
My tip is take a deep breath, keep your shoulders back, and remember to have a good time.
Culture and heritage plays a big role in my fashions. I originally am a weaver, so you'll see a lot of that incorporated into my designs. It's nothing but good vibes. Oftentimes, us as Chamorro folks, we don't really get the opportunity to participate with other Pacifica peoples with many events such as this, so it's really an honor and a privilege to be here. It's a tremendous opportunity, and I think it's really awesome that we're able to come together and pull our resources and really give honor to the pieces that we create.
My design influences heritage, culture, my lineage, everything about me and who I am. It plays a huge part because that's what makes me who I am as a designer, but also it represents me, my family, and the ones before me, and that paved the way for me, yeah.
The style is definitely inspired by San Francisco streetwear, which is a very specific kind of streetwear, just because it stays pretty much the same temperature year-round. It's a lot of layers. It's a lot of just things that you would wear on a foggy day, and just try to elevate that with like our metal work. This is an example of, this is his work that he welded specifically for this show because we find ways to relate to the audience. So we made a bunch of metal ferns, which we know is very something that's very symbolic here.
Pacific Fusion is a fantastic format for Pacific designers, creative designers in New Zealand. It brings the best of the talent, and I think it doesn't really matter whether you're new or established. It's just a wonderful environment, and businesses like ours benefit hugely from platforms like this.
We don't get together very often for this kind of celebration, but when we do, it's amazing. And it's just a friendly reminder of what we're capable of and the beauty that we have to share.
Something that is in the heart of the south of Auckland. For me, it's really about the mana. It doesn't matter how big or small you are as a company, you're nothing without the people and the hands that make it.
This platform is one of the largest Pacific fashion events in the Southern Hemisphere, and it's a way for us to help elevate our emerging designers, giving them a platform, but also not just on the runway, but also connecting them with key fashion industries behind the scenes. And so this annual show it plays such an important role in helping nurture our next generation of creatives.
More fishing after the break. Make sure you come back so you can see these abs.
As a teenager back then, I remember mixing a high school musical that It's Hard to Believe. I thought it was on, but to this day, I never listened to it again. We weren't allowed to listen to any music with profanity in it.
Goal, line,
goal.
Yeah. Goal, line, drop out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. You smoked that.
No.
Nah, it's because I got a good mouth. What?
Will she adjust to the real world?
Welcome back to Fish. Today we're at the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show.
Now it's time to check out one of our best Pacifica DJs, DJ Noiz.
Growing up as a kid, especially with us Polynesians, you're like, oh, I gotta have this mixtape first. I gotta have this mixtape first. And I was like, always the guy to get it first. Tickles, Peter Guns, man, yeah, the OGs, going into DJ Darren, Island Jams with DJ Mecca. Listen to it on replay, and I'm like, one day I'm gonna do this. One day I'm gonna do this. What's up, fams? It's your boy DJ Noiz, and this is my world. My name is Fa'asalafa Zion To'o Bapo. I get asked a lot about where Noiz comes from. I'm known as Zion. Backwards, you get Noiz. N-O-I-Z. I think because I'm a 90s kid, back in high school, everyone was doing their names backwards. Like I remember Tongas would be like, Tonga backward, Aknon. It was gonna be DJ Noiz. But then I was like, nah, that sounds whack, bro. Growing up LDS, man, it was a blast. I'm pretty sure every Polynesian kid knows what it's like to grow up LDS. Tough, strict, but at the same time, disciplined. We had a musical background, especially with my dad. Like, my dad loved DJing, he was a musician, loved playing guitar. He put me and my brother in a brass band, Tongan brass band, when we were little. I used to play drums, my brother played trombone. From there, you start to learn different genres of music, as well as what I like to call vibes. We grew up in Victoria, a little town called Robinvale, and then we moved to a town called Goodna in Brisbane. And growing up in Brisbane, in the 4300, as you know, it helped me push out my talent and finally made me realize that I wanted to chase my dream as a producer, DJ, and just work with many great artists. Growing up, I was a big fan of all the island mixtapes, and I thought, man, I want to do something like that. So I started teaching myself, educating myself on how to use computers, mixers to like engineering music. As a teenager back then, I remember mixing a high school musical that It's Hard to Believe. I thought it was on, but to this day, I never listened to it again. We weren't allowed to listen to any music with profanity in it. So my take on it was like, for me to be able to get my parents to let us play like, you know, the latest hip hop music and stuff, I was like, I'll throw it on a reggae beat. I'll throw it on an islander beat, something that my parents, like the old generation can vibe to, but it's still cool to the new generation. I just started pumping out mixes after mixes. That's the key in the music industry is progression. And seeing the progression, a lot of people were sharing my music, playing my music. I linked up with Fortify, AKA Sam. And Sam linked me up with my manager, Mark, and from there we started pushing the brand. Okay, let's turn this DJ into a producer. And then I worked on Off of Mai, featuring my boy Connects. That was the first major track that I was like, whoa, okay, this is gonna be something. It wasn't until I had my daughter and I go, okay, I gotta man up and take this seriously or I have to find a job. And I was like, but I love music too much. Even if I was to work at a job, I'm like, man, just music is all I think about. So when I had my daughter, it was just always the best time in my creative space. Like in my studio, I'll have my daughter with me. When I produced Lady Love for Beano Butter and Kenya Brown, like my daughter was singing the song before it was even out. And it's just like a memory I have, like, it's just happy times. All the Islander music, all the throwbacks that I remix, my flavor, my taste is all from my parents. The whole Whitney Houston side and stuff like that, and my dad would teach me the Bunyala Va'a, all the classics like the OGs of Samoa, all the Tongan bands. My father passed away a couple of years ago, and I know he would be proud of me. Going to Samoa, where he grew up, has always been his dream for me as like his son, to go perform in the motherland and like, yeah. Yeah, so this is very important to me. It's my dad's tattoo, and each one of us siblings all got it when my dad passed away. It's a reminder that my dad's with me always. We were in a rich family, but my dad and my mom pretty much supported my dream. I know my mom is proud of me, 100%. I'm very thankful that my dad actually pushed me. They supported me from day one, and they made me like pretty much chase the dream, which I'm still chasing today. And it's also rewarding as well because now I'm starting to see all the blessings unfold.
Talofa lava, my name is Mari Talangi, and I play for the Toa Samoa.
Talofa lava, my name is Connelly, and I play for the Toa Samoa. And we're playing Read My Lips.
Round one, fight!
Scissors move.
Move your mouth. Snake.
Next one.
Yeah, next, sorry.
High. Tackle.
High tail.
The 3 Ds. Defense.
Tackle. Defense. High tackle.
Number 4.
Yeah, go.
Player of the day.
Player of the day. Yeah. That's me.
Sorry?
Come on.
Yeah. Playmaker.
Mango.
Play.
Play. The music
Maker.
score. The music score. Playmaker. Me.
Bro, that's too easy for you.
It's too easy.
Ready? It's not even on there. It's not even on there. See, it's not even on. Goal line dropout.
Slow it down.
Yeah. Goal line dropout.
Slow it down.
Goal line dropout.
Goal.
Line.
Goal.
Yeah.
Goal line. Drop out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you smoked that.
No.
Nah, it's because I got a good mouth. What?
Your first word is...
First word.
Toa all day.
Tour.
All day. All
Your dad.
all day. Yeah.
Tour all day.
Yeah. Right, this one's you. Bandwagon.
Manuia.
No, Luke uses for his hair. Hair band.
Bandwagon.
Yep, bandwagon. Sticky vibes.
Sticky.
Yeah, vibes.
Sticky lives.
V.
Sticky vibes.
Yeah, got it. Calm before the storm.
Come.
Yeah, before
Before the
storm. Melbourne,
oh, come before the storm.
ready? Keep it fresh.
Eat it.
Keep
Eat
it.
tonga.
It's fresh.
Is
Fresh.
keep it frick.
Right, last one.
Last one.
Tangi mai le tiger.
Eye of the tiger. Tangi.
Yeah.
Miley Tiger.
Rawr.
Is that it?
Yeah.
And the winner, Read My Lips, is Murray to 11.
Nah, because I gave you heaps, that's why. But it's all right.
Next time.
Ice cream on you, so.
No, I don't eat that stuff. Body's a temple.
Now, vegan ice cream.
Nah, still.
Congrats.
That's why I got a body like Samoa.
Talofa songas.
Hi. Why are you just like Samoan Barbie?
Oh, I'm not plastic anymore. Don't worry. I'm a real Samoan Barbie.
What? In a world where stereotypes and stigma persist, the harmful plastic Samoan label suggests a superficial caricature and distorted representation of our Samoan culture, dismissing the authenticity of one's identity
and reinforces harmful beauty standards.
Welcome back to Fresh. I am Marciana Sititi.
Hi, I'm Lily Lamota.
Here at the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show.
Time for some fresh funnies with Barbie.
Yes, Barbie!
In Barbie's perfect world, everything comes easy to her. She didn't have to try. She was the perfect Teine Samoa.
Lele tele oi Teine, my perfect Teine Samoa.
Everything came natural to her.
Eh, Oma, thank you, dear.
Even cleaning. But she was in for a rude awakening when she found herself in the real world. Will she adjust to the real world? Or will she be sorely disappointed?
Hi, guys.
Hey, Barbie.
Can I help?
Do you not want to get changed first?
Pull it for. I'm really good at this stuff. It'll only take a second.
Up to you.
From the makers of Crazy Rich Samoans.
Awesome work, everyone. Some of us really need to go toilet, so we'll give that time to use, yeah? 5-minute break. You can drive away.
Do you guys want to go grab something too? Okay, cool. Let's go. It doesn't usually take this long. Aloha, songas.
Hi. Why are you dressed like Samoan Barbie?
Oh, I'm not plastic anymore. Don't worry, I'm a real Samoan Barbie.
What? In a world where stereotypes and stigma persist, the harmful plastic Samoan label suggests a superficial caricature and distorted representation of our Samoan culture, dismissing the authenticity of one's identity
and reinforces harmful beauty standards that are detrimental to the well-being of our young Samoan girls.
Yangale.
Samoan Barbie. Coming December 20 never.
Thanks for joining us this week.
Here at the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show.
Make sure you come back next week. Until then, keep it fresh.
Teach them, lead them. You really not rolling with that, so I leave them be. You're up like hoes they be. Coming right back. Been to the UK, 500K on a jumbotron where the big boys get down. Sit down with none of the sun.
Welcome to Fresh, coming to you straight from Auckland, New Zealand.
Celebrating 10 years of Coconut TV. Keep it croco!
Let's go!
Wolfgang's fashion brand is hypnotic, it's arousing, whoever floats the boat.
Thank you for celebrating 10 years of Coconut TV with us. Keep it fresh.
Here at the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show.
I'm sorry.
Time for
More fishing after the break. More fishing.
Keep it